Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at how we can take a long form video and break it up into 10 short clips for YouTube Shorts, for TikTok, for Instagram, wherever else you need to use it. And this is all done using AI. The software we're going to use is called Opus Clip. Now, once you've signed in, which requires no credit cards or banking details, you'll get to this page here. And to be very, very honest, it's a very straightforward and simple bit of software. So they give you a little bit of a breakdown of what kind of videos you're able to upload and convert into short form videos. So it says here it works best for videos that are longer than 15 minutes. And it also says the examples of these videos could be podcasts, educationals, commentaries, product reviews, and so forth. Now, before we get into the editing part, if you have any questions about the software, you can just tap on the bottom right hand side, have questions, and you will be able to ask them a bunch of questions if you're unsure about anything. And in addition to that, you can actually join their Discord and you'll be able to have proper support from there. Now, getting into the editing part. So what we're going to do is, as it says here, drop a video link. So what we're going to do is we're going to just jump into YouTube, and whatever video it is that you would like to actually convert from long form to short form videos, all you have to do is copy that link. And once you've copied that link, all you need to do is right click and paste, and then tap get clips. And there you go. What it'll basically do is it tells you how many credits you're using to produce these 9 or 10 short videos. And if you have a look at the top right hand side, you are given a total of 2 hours in video time, and that is valid for 30 days. Now, of course, if you want to purchase more credits, depending on how many videos you will be making a day, a week, a month, then you can just buy a plan. Now, we can have a look at the plans while this video is processing. We can just click on buy more. Let's keep in mind that this software, this program is still relatively new. It has only just hit us a few days ago. So their free trial offers a few very basic features. However, it is completely free. Then their early bird pack gives you a couple more features, and there are a couple things that will be coming. So if that has not hit you yet, it will still be on its way. And then you've got the essential plan, which is $19 per month. It gives you 3 hours of additional upload credits. And there are a few other features here that it offers, which you are not able to actually do in the trial version, such as the auto reframe by Active Speaker and a couple of the other things which I think will enhance the editing tool. Now let's go back to the home page. What it basically says is it's busy converting, and when it is done, it'll be able to send an email to you to let you know that the video clip has been processed. And there we go. As you can see, what it is doing is it is processing the video, and it also gives you an estimated time. And it says that if you leave the page, you will get a notification via email when the video processing is done, and you can carry on doing whatever else you need to do. And there we go. Just like that, in just a matter of minutes, you have a video that is 28 minutes long. It has been broken up into, let's see how many clips they've given us here. They've given us 12 good clips. Now, out of these 12, you can decide which ones you want. If you have a look at the top, so what they've done here is the first clip it specifies that this clip may contain the intro part of the video. So let's say you don't want the intro, you just want the real bitey parts of the video. You can actually skip that video altogether. So they do say it on a couple of the other ones, because the video actually starts out and then each part of the video is broken up into sections. So like, for example, this one over here, it also says the clip may contain the intro part of the video, and that is literally just down to the fact of the titles that it has picked up in the actual video. So this section over here, the first section, that would be the intro of the video, and such as this one over here, that would be the intro of the video. So for example, if you don't want that part of the video, you can just remove it and you can just use the body part of the video. Now, before we jump in and just download it, it has successfully given you 12 videos. Now, in addition to that, it has given you a viral score. It says the likelihood that this video will go viral. So this is quite cool, because they're not just breaking down a video and giving you shorts. They're telling you how likely it is to go viral, which is absolutely fantastic. That's the reason you're making the videos, of course. And then it also gives you a title per video. You see that one over there and that one and so forth. It actually gives you titles per video. So when you're posting, you can actually use the title in the title part of your video. Now, what we're going to do is, they have a very basic editing tool. Just underneath the thumbnail, you can tap on edit clip. And it will bring you into this page. Now, there are two sections that you can actually work on here. The first section is the actual text, and it's also got timestamps with every clip, so you know where you're starting in the video. And what it's done is, it has automatically generated the text, so it has already transcribed the audio into text, and it has highlighted some of the words. Now, what you can actually do is highlight some of these words. You can change their color. So let's say we want to just make that yellow and make that one gray and so forth. Another thing that you can do here is actually each word you can edit, so you can actually change the word. So obviously it won't change the audio, but it will change the text that comes up onto your screen, and you can just hit enter and you're out of there. So if you want to watch a short sample of what this video looks like, you can go down to the right hand side and you can just switch your volume, and this button would jump back to the beginning of the clip, and this is what it looks like with very little editing. So if you want more in-depth, detailed instructions on each of these steps and additional steps like using StreamYard to do virtual interviews, or how to monetize your podcast to actually make them sustainable, or tips and tricks. Okay, so that's a short example of what it can do. Once we go into preferences, there are a few other things that we can add in here. So the caption style, you can also remove the captions, the subtitles, or you can put them on. Now, they only have the one style, and I think for now, while the version is still new, that is basically what you will be getting. You can also change the colors here. So if you want to maybe do it in red, or if you want to do it in purple or blue, or whatever the case may be, you have a full array of colors here. And these are both options you can change. Then the layout of the video, you can basically select what the actual layout looks like. So the full option would give you the full screen of the video, and basically what it does is it detects the face in the video, and it actually, as it's done here, it's got his face in the video. Then if you click fit, what it's going to do is it's going to just trim off the top and the bottom so that you can convert this long form video, which was shot in 9:16:9, and it'll convert it successfully with a banner at the top and the bottom into 9:16, which is in portrait mode. Then if you have more than one speaker in the video, it'll actually split the screen so that you can see both speakers, which is actually fantastic. If you're doing interviews, you could actually switch between these layouts so that you can show each speaker during the video. Then a couple of the other options here, it says uppercase all text, and that is turned on, so that'll just basically put everything into caps. And then the auto emojis, so what it does is it detects words that are associated with particular emojis that they have on their database, and what they do is they can just add on the emojis to the text when they are transcribing your video. And when you are done with all your preferences and you are happy with your captions and what they look like, I must say, for one, that it is very accurate at the transcription. You can actually just say save and compile. Now that just saves the changes that you made here in the editing section. So what you can actually do from here on, once it is actually loaded, you can just tap download in HD, and what it'll do is it'll download it in an MP4 format straight to your computer. You just tap it like that, and there you go. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you find this software and the information valuable, and I hope you can put it to actual good use. And we'll see you in the next video. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe, and we'll see you again. Cheers.